Very good morning to all of you and welcome to this session. In this session, I would like to tell you or explain you about how to prepare an elevation by using a plan which is already prepared. So before that, we should know what is an elevation. It is the appearance of the building from front or side or from rear end. So elevations is an imaginary view we can prepare before construction. So in order to have an imagination or to have an architectural view. Elevation may be front elevation, side elevation and rear elevation, depends on the viewer. In elevation, height of the building is completely visible and it includes the architectural view of the building, and we can visualize the type of color of the building and type of material used. So these can be analyzed with the help of an elevation. So as in the exam point of view, I want to highlight some points, a few things. The following things to be known before start to draw an elevation of a residential building. So before this, we have prepared a plan at sea level by or with reference to line diagram and schedule of openings. With reference to the plan, if you want to prepare a front elevation, we will project the lines which is visible from the front end, and those are projected with the thin lines and will be transferred up to a level, and then we will prepare in such a way that it will be an imagination, and will include, or we will going to introduce these schedules of openings like doors, windows, ventilators if it is visible at the front end, and width of thickness of chedja can be visible, and we can visualize elevations at different levels can be indicated. So these are the things we have to prepare before drawing or preparing an elevation of a residential building or any building. So this is a simple procedure I have written just for glance over. Use a paper scale, or you can prepare, or you can convert, or you can calculate the scale which they have mentioned, like 1:100 or 1:50. Otherwise, better you can use paper scale which is already standardized. That means they have already converted into 1:50 or 1:100. By using that scale, you can draw the lines, you can project the lines, and you have to have a keen observation over a plan which is already prepared. Draw a thick line at the bottom of the drawing sheet, consider as ground level. Why? Because we need a reference line. All the projection lines should meet that point or meet that line. Project the lines from front side of the building up to ground level line, which is already written at the bottom of the drawing sheet. So while using this, one note for you that those lines or projection lines must be drawn with the help of thin lines. Draw the horizontal lines at various levels like plinth level, or there are different levels we have to indicate in the elevation. So therefore the first it will be foundation level, but anyhow in elevation it is not possible to show that. First will be plinth level, and then you can indicate ground level, and then sill level and lintel level, roof level and parapet levels can be indicated very easily. Draw the elevations of doors, windows, staircases and walls which are visible from front side. If the staircases are provided at the front side, and these projections can be transferred. If it is not present, then you have to remove it. And moreover, in front side, if you provide front door, main door, then you have to show the door and number of windows. Those are located in the front side, so that must be projected and should be shown in the elevation. So this is a simple procedure, and this is a simple problem I have took. In plan also I have explained about this problem, but you have to consider some of the things which are not considered in plan. So here mainly we focus on thickness of RCC chedja, and it must be included. That's why we have to focus on this. You can see here RCC chedja of 600 mm wide, 150 mm thick at support and 50 mm at the free end. So this must be indicated. That's why I'm highlighting this. and after this remaining things are not visible in elevation, so therefore remaining construction details or specifications can be read afterwards. So this ground floor plan has been prepared at sea level. You have to indicate or you have to incorporate all the things which are written in line diagram. And this is the first floor plan at sea level, and this is also prepared. So by using these ground floor plan and first floor plan have projected lines. So you can see here, this is a line, ground level line. I have marked to this. I have projected projection lines from plan prepared, that is from ground floor plan, first floor plan, and I explained very in detail in another videos. You can listen that and you can practice by seeing that. These are the different levels I have indicated. So ground floor level is treated as 0 level, and this is a plinth level at the top, and this lintel level, and you can indicate this sill level also here. You can introduce this also. Bottom of the window has been placed on sill, so these can be marked out, and this is the lintel level, and this is the first floor level, first roof level, and the second roof level, and this is a third roof level. So maximum height of the building is about 7.5 meter, and then you can indicate the thickness of chajja. So here it is 50 mm and here it is 150 mm. So you can see this. So this is the chajja we have provided. You can visualize the width of chajja, width of window and height of window, and here there is a parapet wall, so only part of door is visible at the front and in first floor, and here chajja is visible, but here the side view, so you can visualize main door, and so this is the front elevation. So from this we can have or we can see the different levels. So this will be very helpful while estimating or well construction. So this is about front elevation. Now thank you.